iPhone was locked by remote management, and ask for credentials to unlock after update. How to bypass MDM on iPhone after update. You can follow us to bypass MDM lock with PassFab iPhone Unlocker. First, get PassFab iPhone Unlocker from our official website or the link below. Run the software and connect iPhone to the computer. Click Bypass MDM. Read the disclaimer carefully and click Next. It will start to bypass MDM lock. You can unlock your iPhone after restart.